Here's a problem kind of mentioned in the notes of a formula for finding the simple interest. So I is your interest, the amount of actual money. So that's the amount of money earned. P is the principal, so the money invested. And R would be the interest rate, and T equals time. So, for example, in a problem, you may be finding I when you invest a principal amount of $7,000 at a rate of 4%, and you invest that for 4 years. Let's see how much money you make in interest in this case. So I equals P R T. Remember, when the variables are just next to each other, that means multiplication. So this would be I equals, let's do P is 7,000. Notice I'm opening up parentheses for the P. We'll do the same for the R. Now, this one you got to be careful because that's 4%. So remember, that would be 0.04. The decimal moves 2 places to the left when you convert a percent to a decimal. So 0.04. And then T is 4 years. And so you do have to check because sometimes they might say that it's given in months or something. You have to do a conversion, but in this case, we're just doing 4 years. If it was something that it was like months and then they have years, you got to convert the years to months. But in this case, we're just doing straight years. So, well, in this, we just go to a calculator to do the number crunching. So 7,000 times 0.04 times 4 would be $1,120. So in that case, your amount that you invested, 7,000, has now accrued some interest, and you would now have 1,120 more dollars. Okay, so that's the amount of interest you would earn. So if the question were to ask, what is the interest? That's how much interest you've made. If you have a question that says, how much money do you have after that? Well, then you would add that to the principal. But in this problem, they're just asking you to calculate the interest